Hello everyone! Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this first one doesn't exactly show us the end result, but I love all the items that she's able to grab from the Dollar Tree. Use your imagination. You can definitely create some fun projects with these items. And then we have this DIY cooler that can sit on your patio. So she has a tire for this. And then she has two different pieces of wood, one for the top, one for the bottom. The bottom part, she puts the wheels on. And this is actually a pretty easy project to try, and I think it would be great for like the patio season. So she glues the rope around to make it a little bit more aesthetic. Adds in a bucket, and you can put the ice in there. Keep your wine cool. Wow, I love this idea. So cool. And she saves so much money by making it herself. And then we have someone with this DIY heart mirror, and I'm wondering where she got this from. It's a really pretty piece, very unique shape. And she's just simply adding some stones to the perimeter. And with this particular DIY, you can add any kind of stones you want. You can even grab like the white stones from the dollar store. Very cool project idea. And then we have a DIY boho lamp. So she's doing like that boho inspired chandelier trend with this one, using the little wooden beads. This is one of my favorite trends. I think that it looks great as a statement piece. And if you really wanted to, you could actually spray paint the wooden pieces if you wanted a different color. That would be pretty cool. Oh, she put hers outdoors. Oh, this looks so amazing. Look at that. Love it. And I think the little tassel piece definitely elevated it. She put some fairy lights around it as well. And then we have some type of wood lamp here. Now, this was a really interesting design. So it looks like she just has paper on top of the wooden piece. And then she's using the strip lights that you can get from like Amazon. And with the strip light, you can change it, any color you want. This is a really fun DIY project. Look at that. I love this. What a great idea. Great way to set the mood and just kind of like create that nice mood in your home. So we have some wooden sticks here, some cardboard. Some clay. I'm thinking they're probably making some type of, oh, you know what? They might be making either a vase or some type of tray, maybe. Oh, did they put a candle in that? It's kind of hard to see, but really cool idea. So the wooden pieces was basically to create like a shape around it. So that's nice. And they did use that as a candle holder. I kind of wish that they would have like filled the whole thing up with like the candle wax. We've seen them in other videos before. I think that would have been really cool because it has a nice shape for that type of idea. Oh, she looks like she might be making like a cement stool, maybe. Oh, it looks like it's stuck. Oh, okay, she got it out. So it looks like she's painting it now. Oh, very bold yellow. Oh, she used it like a little plant stand. Wow, such bold colors, yellow and red. You don't typically see that. So this next DIY looks like they might be making like some type of sign maybe. Oh, maybe not. Oh, they took off the best part with the wooden pieces, right? Or is it just me? Okay, now I'm very curious as what this is going to be because I think those wooden beads was like the highlight of this piece. Personal opinion. Oh, they're putting it back. Okay, good. Oh, they're doing like some hanging eucalyptus. Oh, that's nice. The only thing with this project is how long is this gonna last? And then you got like one tall piece. I think that other piece needs to be cut. Yeah, that one piece is too tall. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.